Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. X ads. Are you curious about X ads and how they can elevate your marketing game? In today's video, I'll break down everything you need to know. What X ads are, the unique benefits they offer, why advertisers choose X, who's using the platform, and how they engage. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. What is X ads? X ads, formerly known as Twitter ads, is the advertising platform integrated within the social media platform X, which allows businesses to promote their content, products, or services to targeted audiences. The benefits of advertising on X. Advertising on X offers several advantages for businesses looking to expand their reach and engage with a dynamic audience. One of the primary benefits is increased visibility. With millions of daily active users, X provides a platform where ads can be seen by a vast audience, particularly those already interested in similar content or products. This high visibility can lead to greater brand awareness and recall among users. Additionally, X's advertising platform allows for targeted advertising. Businesses can tailor their ads based on user interests, behaviors, and demographics, ensuring that the message reaches the most relevant audience. This precision targeting helps in achieving a higher return on investment for advertising campaigns. Another significant benefit is the engagement rate. X users are known for their interaction with content through likes, comments, reposts, and shares, which can amplify the reach of advertisements organically. Ads on X can drive engagement by encouraging users to interact with the content, leading to increased brand loyalty and advocacy. The platform also offers various ad formats like promoted posts, promoted accounts, and promoted trends, which can be utilized to meet different marketing objectives, from increasing followers to driving specific actions like website visits or product purchases. Moreover, real-time interaction with consumers is possible on X, allowing brands to respond quickly to trends, feedback, or customer inquiries, which can enhance customer service and brand reputation. The immediacy of X also means that brands can leverage current events or trending topics to make their advertising more relevant and timely. Why advertisers choose X? Advertisers are also drawn to X for its unique user base and the platform's ability to engage with them effectively. X has a reputation for hosting a more engaged and vocal user base compared to other social media platforms, particularly in sectors like news, entertainment, and politics. This makes it an ideal space for brands that want to be part of conversations that matter to their target audience. The platform's microblogging nature fosters quick, impactful communication, which can be leveraged for both broad awareness campaigns and niche marketing strategies. The low competition for ad space on X compared to other platforms like Google or Meta can result in lower cost per engagement or click, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious advertisers. X also offers flexible ad spend options, allowing businesses from small startups to large corporations to customize their advertising budgets according to their financial capabilities and marketing goals. Who uses X and how they engage? Small businesses. Small businesses use X ads to promote local products or services and reach niche audiences. With affordable ad options, they can run campaigns tailored to specific locations or demographics. Large corporations, big brands leverage X to launch global campaigns, promote new products, or maintain customer loyalty. The platform's large audience ensures a wide reach for their messaging. E-commerce brands. Online stores use X ads to drive traffic to their websites or showcase products directly in their feeds. Features like clickable links and carousel ads make it easy to highlight multiple products in one campaign. Nonprofits and advocacy groups. Organizations use X ads to raise awareness about causes, attract donors, and mobilize supporters. They engage with users through emotionally resonant campaigns and real-time responses to trending topics. Content creators and influencers. Creators use ads to promote their channels, events, or collaborations. They often integrate ads into their organic content to engage followers authentically. How they engage. Through real-time interactions, X is known for live discussions and trending topics. Ads can join these conversations to stay relevant and timely. For example, during events or holidays, advertisers can create campaigns using trending hashtags to boost visibility. By using interest-based targeting, Users on X often follow topics they are passionate about, such as sports, tech, or entertainment. Advertisers can target these communities with tailored ads that speak directly to their interest. With visual and interactive content, video ads, carousels, and polls encourage users to stop scrolling and engage. High-quality visuals and clear calls to action increase clicks, shares, and responses. Via mobile-first strategies, most users access ads on their phones, so ads optimized for mobile screens perform better. Encouraging user participation. Polls, contests, and question-based ads invite users to engage directly. This interaction not only builds awareness, but also fosters a sense of connection with the brand. Thank you for joining us on this journey through X Ads. From understanding the platform to uncovering why it's a favorite for advertisers, we hope you're now equipped with valuable insights. See you in the next one. Here's something you shouldn't miss before we wrap up this video. Say goodbye to traffic woes and start driving quality traffic today. Make any business profitable with lower ad costs, higher conversions from Facebook ads, get leads, buyers, make sales, and outperform every competitor in any niche with AdPlify. AdPlify gives you the value of 7 powerful Facebook SaaS products in one insane package. Page Watcher, Track Competitor, or Guru Ads. Hidden Audience Finder, get cheaper clicks and better ROI. Behavioral Retargeter, get higher conversions with behavioral retargeting. Page Targeter, get market intelligence and audiences from competitor pages. Email List to Audience, continuous retargeting for your autoresponder list, and a lot more. So track AdPlify now. Go to getadplify.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.